chicks na what's a me shada chike o mutena se na me am church o the side chick code one rules of engagement there was a way the any kwan say way once you become a side chick because matena so for 4 years may say ba be kwa another 4 years nti what's a me chemutena se na me boa mo me mowudi mo because mu game ni a week smart as him nti uba so anu ma share so the be obi phones be de e be ba so ajagraja movement man na me chia mo this year you the wedding kwa nti se wa sorry na won fresh boys nim won worry ya make sure the o de ko page so nya nkwa sorry wa o de ko ajagraja movement page so no akọ like it o like ya na o de wuhwem boys na wo ho mu post ya na o de wuhwem one fresh boys nkwa wo de onya bia screenshot in a picture never brem se honam menya bi e wo ho na wo de mia mene sofo nkwa kama bishop nkwa ka nie mbe ya ho ade na se wunim so nie ya ho ade na so wie na wo ja asori no ana se wunya ba wo mu so a ye beje akwara no ba bi ofri ba bi de ne beko ene emfa ho aware no so ye begu no this year ne dia tit for that you do me I do you enti man na mo worry me man no so mo worry asori am wo mu e man no nyina no like girls na ada so ti mo ye den ajagraja movement so for no timi che dollars e wona asori mu ase wanya aduane a dollars nko a enti mo mbra wo de me say boys no wo de kone uko page ajagraja movement boys no wo de kone ko check boys no ebia na de offer wuntimi nka wo de screenshot boy na wo wani gye no ho fa na ma me wo girl kra magina mo tiawa this year ye hwinhwin o girl kra na de odi betu mani ma mea na gye boy na ma what enti this year the wedding because they say me ne ono abo opon amafo bebe person mo gye no free me nsem but mo boa ono abo opon kroma wuntimi gye no free me nsem meni na be ko parliament meni na be twi so ajo papa bi Mitchy Spice she never said she was beaten na wan ka be kasi abo Mitchy when I hear she wan ka be kasi abo mami jai police for na ba ni abo na wi jai stop that Emmanuel Santibe Diako hello me pacho ma mention go for kakra bi why nana Guabasa Canada nana Guabasa here's your daughter honam sardine I love you and mom Manasi Couture Canada and aminia ba sister Rita ma minya kwa bro no ma Canada na me papa kwa me I love all of you muni ebusiafo ni nyina I love everybody Malaysia great Malaysia Italy great Malaysia me chia bebre odishia ba GH nso me chia AMB TV was so cool. The Mad King, my sweetheart. The Mad King. Me do fupa. Me chia biscuit na prempen so I hope say bibia boko mu na mo ye fine. Enti konkonsa na nche ye be sha ase. At emwon kakra. I don't know how many people have shared it. Oba so na wa share. Nya sa dia me metimi agina ha na medum na makoda. Metimi adum. Yvonne hi. Akwesi Isaac. It's all about one share the post, share it. I'm on face ambassador mommy. Why me pamcho? Mon frère Joy Chicho Mensa mammy. See, mo kacha ni se mi hiano. Ima come you hello.
That's all bad church. Ratikana. That's all bad church will offer from here. Of a woody back. Now you people look at the family Kilakutu. Hey, the Kilakutu years with the other block. Okay. So, Yamiada Roma, if you saw a bomb, me meeting when begin to be a cost of fire outside. Me person know back on some body for minimum so program at Ashapan.
You see that area me count. Nobody's above blogging. Mr. When you come here, you comport yourself. It's mommy and share program nothing. Your Baba Casafa, your former ace ambassador. Your pay employee, your former ace ambassador Joy Chicho Mensa. mostly girl no ye videos bebre kwa na nkofo timi dey send me Joyce. Now I don't talk about her me kind of videos because most of the time no she's doing her thing or no agina ho no or sana asa no or ye na nyoma or ye na de so like somebody is living her life I hu hia me so as I say obi on na de no ho she's of age no so obegia ho so obe share ni wig obe any den obe yi no hu e ono any problem ono na sama nti most ya na asem hia me sa but if you Pokuya, we are coming there. If you Pokuya, share the me who share our pampas. So share ye Jessica. We shall not be so swab because maybe somebody is also making the same mistake. Ebia when you have been so abrochire or not so or making the same mistake I won him. If you come on, you share. It's not when you share Peggy, how are you? It's not for you. When you share it's for the other people. Ebia na wo no kwano. You don't know when you be in the same situation as that girl as Joyce. Into we share no before so about be na den. What you answer. So what you say? And mostly no sometimes the video pop up because mostly I know no dear grunty no I don't care but oye videos too oye videos are all say and the bane papa no I know pedogi media and no me Facebook say me catch am say Facebook no is for people above 18 above now mo man below 18 yeah parental control enti mo am obi a me sure say obi a 18 enti asem no se de otika no pepepe ne se beka no me pa cho se ye ka etwa se bi entoto petrol mu etwa enti me eden entoto kenke mu nti no se de otika no sa ne beka no pepepe wa hase oye videos 2 videos so di ka video bi a me hu se trendy a no o ka se ne ba ne papa no e ma ni ba na nemu na we twa ne picture no dey send no e na wo nti mu se second one and so me share but I didn't mind na mu se second one so a was I here say be ma ne pedogi e na de ben and so what me hu ni nyina but mostly na ma follow the case no but me I just don't talk about it because ni nyoma nyina na de bia I always tell people say nya bibia na ya na e fa me ho nya bibia na ya na hu hia say me ka bi but me hu ni last video na omuko ni fie na omo ye de omuko akobro no na otwa police for ba ho no that is when I knew say I have to hear them I was a main kabi because e bia na obi so wo sa mood na ono so ba be the same mistake no so me ntwen this year idie I was a ndi nyansa anka say ewura mutirim because obu ho e bia na wolake I was a me force na me di nyansa ye den ewura mutirim me pe video no me pa cho munya na mo hwe bi nyamunya na mo hwe bi mo hwe bi amonka na me fa video ni nchem did you watch it we say bia no I didn't watch it na me mboma ye mo mpa ntin ko fo mi sika no o ma ji mi sika ye dia na ada na me ye wa na efiri Joyce aso ho ya ye hu emra mi twi manim se me ba live ba pena yeah me in the crash say so me say me bo video na so and say me in so ma no yeah same Joyce so we will board the video later because as a sis now Joyce aje you know we will board the video later boy Joyce abe hodu animu say mo amani twa ya no fo I'm my connect here from the me download the WhatsApp na ade na who say crash mo some say 2 in 1 nti let's continue me who video na che say Joyce ni baby daddy no ene Nigeria abani fie Joyce fie police for na me nka jam sa broche police for no mo si no mni dwumadi COVID is by a crowd bobo omuni dwumadi like seriously no mo ye mo ka ni ato petrol gum so mo fa nti me sure say ene ekro na ye wo mni si etimi twa paper at the more offices for this mo use wo be ko na papers be de o de water ata ho end of the year mo ntimi use so aba mebu sam na jase mo anya adwuma entu to wa etimi send letter me pa cho letter na be send be bi ehwinim because ya more ya twa paper we si ho omo office wo say this year no mo send this letter when the same as police for me pa cho ba so anu ahye me hu Asamoah Francis I haven't seen you share it Naya Bingi you haven't shared it when you share it after the program you can go and delete it but to say it we need people to come and watch until you have to share it Mon share na this year you munya sa life na mo am. A cupcake me I'm about to do it. Not now. Please, when I finish I'll call you. I'll do it now, okay? Thank you.
Wow.
Brown so na be down. Please.
You said it's cornflakes or
I'll give you. Okay, I'll call you right now and give you. Okay. Attention seekers. Just a police for no. Mema 10 gram on video ni me bo amam. Mema 10 gram ayede. Omo ba if you that day, omo ni dwumadi. Abroche police ankasa omo ni dwumadi. Enti no omo timi no omo chese wo try ya 1 minute apani etwa omo atum no omo ba. Cars na bode e no omugum Grace boot. Grace, sister Grace, hey, I love you. Sister Grace, I love you. Nti pepa mucho, asema make an mutie. First video na Joyce be ye no be ye said den. Maame no mwako court. Nti ye be kan say me right from the beginning. Baby asem ne sha say me I follow things. But say me fear na nya say me fear. Asem beginning ni nyina ne say Joyce Chicho. You came online. That time no be any man. Not that time wa wo ba kama. Obi ani mo ba no na also cry say o kala no do so organ na yekoko ye say die why yekoko nim say filter ti say o mo filter ti bi no mo nkyere me bi na me so me filter me dey say kala we me mpem say me ye white ti say brownie ti e bi a filter ni bi wo ba wo ba live ati me dey ya me pa cho mo ma me nkyere me bi na me so me graduate a me dey na say nhyɛ dan CP na ye say why yekoko kama na wa wo brownie ba me so mo brownie ba ni bi enti I know say nyina yeti me wo abrofoma because we are fair fine. Enti no be anim baby a obani free say obano kra o ye have card because me bay first na man for nim so ye broni ba later me anam de nam ka chom say mesre mu oni papa ye tuntum o e na me a me bo me hu dede enti na man for nim say me ba no kra o ye ayi broni ba so ye have cars say o ye ayi o ye tuntum obi anim ti the same as Joy Chicho so what you say but there me hu no girl no say always you want attention Ghana for your bonya ye ya ne say
this baby, do it.
What is he doing?
Baby had this. Come on. Look.
You change the remote?
Yeah.
Go and change it back. Why do you remote now to change it back? I mean, pen showing will be by this. Or someone who abunibi. What's all I'm so cool. Anna Joy so buy and I had the over can say, one ID kind of a penny battle. So what I said, Joyce, tea me. Beginning now, I said, by a man for be bread. I can be my pa, one cassa when to say, one cassa was up by did your matter because there are a lot of people, they are single mothers, they are coffee bread or so, and men made you a muhamo. Into when they had your case now, no heading. Or munya dremica, and no munya day, ebedi wachi. Hey, I go see the remote number. No, that's what my see the remote no. Aye, mole for the same money chia. Abani aba. Grace, sister Grace. Mommy, I quite tell you. Make come on night. I remember too. No, we dangerous anka sa me patcho. Wa wo hia ba wo pese. O pese o adopt ba me so me o two. O mama wo pe bema ba ko amesere me otu mbeji ba ko wo pe mi rinya so metimi aka bo nam dia ma say my brass stand now no e ba say me ko beach na nka me bo brace dia bo dross na nka me so me kwode the beach why me srem makosi remote na di program ba no e no obi ansa me free me bi aha until let's start afresh. Joy Chichon una di kind man na ye den eba social media na obi a de animu man no obi a de animu man no na wodi kan ba ye beki kan won sem se de esi ye a man no adom de de na wawo me pa cho ye wonyoma bebre ho abetimi dia ba social media but social media no go bebre feel so omunimu but omunimu so what you say social media na e wo so no e obi wo ha bia ne boy akoye se o no de abanye nyina ya siribi but your personal thing at same wo ha ye no social media for ni animu wa bi e betimi dia boa wo aha e bia wo no wanya wo nkrata bia wie no na e bia man na apese ugu nani wase keke e na ade ne beba fine anya adwuma no he betimi aya ama anya ese nani keke na ugu nani wase fine wo baba pa na so begu nani wase social media na da ho man we don't care ye be adwuma ne dia man fine wo so betimi aya wa adwuma fine ana akofa man yi baaye meanwhile so yemfa se yem begini se wo se na man no yemfa se wo hia be man po na be man no anka nche se wa ware me pa cho be man na anka nche se wa ware enti yemfa ne se adwuma ye den adu adwuma adi wo no so on the normal note no so e wo se wo ba bia wo tena se ye nyina ye ka ho wo tena se na be man ye den be ware wo enti senka be man no tena se na nko be ware na nka wuko ni fie anka be hu se den wa ware but na say nyina shortcut yi na adwuma ye den edi wo enti according to oba ne kura sister ne chese ne nkofu bebre ase mo chese wo ne ma ni jaye ansa na ye den wo no because you know we be a wo kura wo ye na akwa ne eboni ba no according to sources kwa no na wo feel say be a oba no broni dia memete ye no na memeka according to sources no na wo feel say e broni dia enti man no so won ne ma twempra no wajaye a won uti ne ba bia meka say man na wo so wakona nim wonim se wono wo ba if that was the case I wonim se mpo wonim po na emfa ni se wonim na wone wa na waba then wow tutu nine wonanti green call woman ni fie according to woman ni sister no ukọ ni fie abroje ne wo no ukọ woman ni fie sa den a wo hwehwe man no wone wo ye den o ni kunu ne wanyam ana o se anya Ghana na obi ne mewu aka say bia ukura kan senti aha ya abrochire we work by address me tiwe wo bo mi din na wo pekura bo mi din pe me ma me wait na after school me kwaye adwuma ewo mensa ne traffic na ne tete ma traffic mo aye ma wo ticket or traffic light mu ni sanyoma na after school. That was what I did as attachment. Until I was in the office. That was when I knew how a brochure system no adwuma. Office when I said a brochure system how we find people because I was working in the office. Now true muta. What is muta ye? Yemfa say fines. Intini true muta. Obu ho ko di muta obu wa free modern o free yemfa say we free Kumasi. No ko traffic light mu Accra. Wa ko twa mu wo number ne ye trace back. Near their back to Kumasi, near their brain. Now you made ya work in your send letter. Say, Eden, would call traffic light the moon, also bet you say, also could you say. Until we have your name. That was when I got to know how our brochure system it works. Your boy would dear, new be beer, yiba, or can you be beer yiba. So what to every cell could know about some aqua brochure. Nini nana or computer so. Computer entity yet me search you be na yenyano ni ya trust inadmissible o se bi nche se wo nipa ye hu wo system ni mu ye hu wo system ti si da se wo tu afri kro mu kra na se ye hu ntini ye de wo wato sa ntu sa ba radar ne so na ye den ya se hu se mre bi no ukoye nti that was everything bibia I worked at the office nti I was helping my boss na ye boss anyoma no ni sa no nti I knew nti abrochi ha no we work by name or date of birth so wunim nipa din kwa date of birth nti e say man no kra no wunim din ana say mini I don't know according to sources no so kra say man no so onye obi a e de manfo nim na manfo nim no Hamburg na e de wo ho no no Joyce so abrochi no ba a wo ka say wa ba ya bo but Nipa obu ohana, I don't know. You fancy the fame and I say there's a whole lot of joy to betimi aye. Won ho efe. Won ho efe say joy so person when you reality show. So person when you program, so person you bibia. You can make everything out of your life. But I don't know, say it's as if say you enjoy negative publicity. Well, no, you enjoy it. Because obi ayadi is one case wetimi agi is ato no so. Abra wa wo sie se wunya is na is ye omobo. Fine. Ahono na wudi bim is ye omobo. E na wan kase wa de wagi is ato ho so. Ti Ghana fo ni mpo amma usika no. Sometimes no nipa me ameka se sa adwene nya adwuma de bi omoka no. Adwene nya adwuma. Body no ebre papa. Because your man where you could travel. Now that time so na AC wo ho aye adwuma wo betimi di AC din na 2.6 Ghana fo mpo anampo omama wo hye mpo na anka wo dey keep the name anasa wo dey wo ba out mpo sese nka sabre brand ho na pay your organization bi na wo dey also still na because say you call AC mu no ya church show how I see adwuma say wo no you are a full bomb wo nam no you are equipped because wo call mu ni minu AC for efa woni bibia ntinka won kasa wo te wo foundation po say wo pese wo bua 8 people South Africa for mabode wo ho anko me contact abrofo be contact for seminar anko bebre na wo dey catch say oh once no I thought to say I had some because my husband had some man ko test say my test me negative but adwuma no me dey still me dey see me so ana say bia na me say wa adwene ekuta on Joyce eye kete myopic kete ninti no wo ba out omo de meka omo ka so mama mi say enti no I'm no more ayi is one hwan ana wo de nam fine wo ba wo bra but to say kwotena wa o say I say I didn't even get the fame I deserve. I was a me sambe bibi no asa be Kenya ho. Wo ko fa man na ade man ne ba na wo be kam wi ase nyina te say wo ne man na e de awo fine. Wo ko na ye wona ne ka che o say maame abroche ne ye wo no. Go to the police and now go to the union something exact man say wo ni abrantie wo ni mikunu awo me de mikunu de nya ono wo right so betimi no awo enye masem. Enti kwa kachi omubo mikun date of birth and also bo mikun dia ebe ye pie na onu mikun no asolve me issue ehon no enfa me ho so what you say but being you Joyce no how you wanted things your way no now I don't know there na wo person woman no on kan kire wo asoba no out ya brochi no di obetimi aya na oye ma wo no because abrochi ne wo no obi amkofo bebre omuti aware asen so omuni omu aware awo wona no obi wo ya abayasem aban na betire wo be ma ne se kwhwa akwala no aban na betire so obeti usika o so nti usika nso so aban na betimi ahwa akwala na ma but one wo agenda ena wan kasa wo ye den wo ka say wo ye dedication imagine girls now single mothers ne mo me I have 2 kids I'm not married I'm not married enti we ye nyina ru kadaya me be dra say na me preach big and say but the truth is what the truth no kra na eden eye ba akopɛ wo ko ya na wo ko print wo ka say wo be dedication wo ko print then invite na wo de come man no expecting the man to be there na mo panti no Ghana no mo tena ne say tete mo sen se obi a woti aware ase se obi ene na yireti aware ase na wo ne ne ko ware wo ne ne ko wo se wo ka kire wo se wan kan kire se wo ba be hu se wo ka kire wan kan kire no na be hu because on the normal note no kwani kwan se wo ne be ma wo abra yan ware wo entu no na kwa wo no wo twa wo ntro kra aduma na adiwu aduma so de adiwa na adiwu also accept say adime into what is the way forward ekwanya mefa so man no mem na take responsibility abroche ne wo no kakra bi ada me patcho sesi ana sesi e bia minimu de wo de enye die ne like stopping kakra a wo benya no man na man di ntia ko because abroche no ba bi pen wo ba 2 times or 3 times ya bow Joyce ya bow wo de wa back to Ghana wa na wo fa won sem ba yes are you Uber driver na abroche no enye se wo mpese obetena nka wa amba ntinyame adom e na wa wo na man so krata ata ne to enti dia na wo se wo ye ya wo Facebook a wo de breye no me tie menya adwuma wo stand something menya adwuma wo union something enti obi aka bi ma akra no na wuti fie na wo read comments say ye ka bi ma akra na de day no enya me na yire man no me na kwakwa ye die ne dia ma so ati ase e ya ban ena ne man no woka man ne lawyer say man no mpokwa ochuzu se wo ma aban timi so police fo se wo se wo ne na wo nti no man ne nkwa yire no yenko kukuru no fa ne brama ne be DNA test enti eden eye kasade ni akrokro nkakra na ye den wo ne ma ne beka because the baby is involved akora ye den ka akora kama obey kama na funu toko say this year mujimi amomani nyina meje wo mo mujimi amomani nyina mi ameji ma de ahwe wo mo amotete me grado mo ma sa check ye kura ya ahomete dodo ukoye uko printing where is a man no you are expecting bobi a one na yire ati say ono bra dedication masa if you are side chick say be obi no obi yire ware na onu be man ko wa ekowo a dedication as because ono no the only person recognizing by law aye na wife no enti won ti mean free obanachi embet na akora foforo ayi ma ye nto obi din it's not done eno to so muni ya Joyce ji kum umu ye na uji kum na Joyce ye den wo sa so din man yi be si wo ana won ne yire woman ne so si so ne kunu aware 35 good years 35 good years enti ye den on nyai sta wade because of common eba se mi kunu ni obi awa en so what mi kunu ni obi awa en so what 35 good years me nya ma dwen se me so na be ma ne yire akoka bom no ma do ma ye ba ko Joyce tie u problem wo so wo so tie na mo so am wo so na mo so mo ye the same mistake mun tie nyansa first of all say be ma no o ka kire so wo yi say wan kan kire so wo yi it is your duty as oba wo be ma no wo be twempna say wo be hwehwem say oba ma na me ne tia na me ne da fefe na ye use condom no say mpo so wo yi so ni yire because say wo accept ho as oba na do hu si wo ni e be ye ho ade na wo kofie ho a wo benya panyi kwa champagne bi kwa kacho sama mi aware na wo ba no be ma no wa yiri o enti emfa ne say nya ye wa mu hu emfa ne say wa mistake na akwara aba na say wa hu a there's no excuse for hu mpo akwara no ntimi mfa akwara na nse wo ye mu back enko enti de ba na wo so wo ye wo so take responsibility now head the way ahead and just chinchina twan hey my brand here chinchina twan hey I know my rights I know my dear ben you Joyce dia wo ye no e wo social media and you have the right to do that whereby a man no abeton ne yira ma wo se me pese me ni jan enti mia wani mu na wo nipa mia wani di nani wo Facebook na me ni jan ehọ no na tese ho no man no mo abeton ne yira na bia ma wo Joyce se di ne wo ne yira nani no no ko be so no jan ehọ no na wo tete se kwen adwuma ho start chick adwuma na ha e na nyansa ne wo be ma ni mo mu ma wo opportunity ni se dine yire ni asa won ware bi won so be ware bi se na wo ya side check no ai obi aton yire ma wo se dine ni no mia wani na dine yi na won so de beba simple as that e hono na wo be gina beka o ma me dogi o ma me bie mi twem ma me e na wo kunu no o ti ma me bie ni twem na me chapecha wo kunu pa ma me Joyce no me ka kire wo se nke nyina pictures ya twama mema ya kasa nne ye nyina mema ne se o mu nyina age o modik ye nyina so ye die pusi anka WhatsApp ebe crash na mka chew ne ya WhatsApp ebe crash anka WhatsApp ye de ebe crash say because obi ade wo bi ho obi ade den e wo bi ho and you can't come and stand there you do work court ama court show say man no yini pictures in be defamation of character e groma say no say wo ye nwoma say wo say yini wa emre ni wa emre ho defamation of character enti ase den enka man asem biem emu ni din sama no dibim say wo difo say wo den wa brabom amanfo akabia man e si twa so ni asisi ya bo ka say 800 euro say wo ko twa ni nkitinkiti so wo ko twa ni no say den ya bo ka wo ko court room ho no wa na wini wo ho man ni na wini wo ho ukwa kotu mon ma na wini wo e na wie ya wo se man sister no ni niesro se wushu wo ya da na hu so mo sro se wushu na obi so ani obi kura wu akwa wo hu se man ne na yira koka bom a mo kokota ya fra wo koto de maame awosa wo fa wo ho because woman no ware 35 years untimi ka se Joyce mi ne ho akono kra na Joyce watimi abro so ama watimi akosere wa mana ya anya possible se woman take wa ware 35 years onu amu kra wanya se make say bia ni 60s se no ho efe kra na how se me gina se e wo se ma me bi o 60 fa ho be fa but nyoma kitikiti bu o se me ye smart me ye young ma o se me so metimi ye de kinkim ho a wo timi call to room wo ama sebi abrewa no etimi ye de ni nua ba akosere wo ma ne ye wo ya e je se shoe ben na wo joy se hye wo no shoe ben aduma no nua wani a wo nya ready so be ya ma enyu so why you ready so do obi ba social media den aba sere no abagu nani mu ase aba ka no ho nsam dia no you ready me he why you ready papa mpenti that day near free wo court wo no ka wo last hour na dia fati ke ma sabroche force e wo UK nyoma wo US nyoma wo bibia wo ho wo kwa jija tata mu nkwan that day no dia odi baba wo ba no kura pekura mo obi nso ni mu ma senya akora no hunti ne ba ye kwa godi case na ka dress what tata mu shuwo wa wo shumpa bo ahwe yi ankasa wo banka se ye kum no apɛ squad be 3 bi kura di wachi na wo adwuma no nim ya ho apɛ squad be enamfo be 3 bi kura mo adin adi wachi say nipa no nya de no aba we nya di I think ensi awi and they say wonim say this is your enemy and you are going to fight it apɛ squad 3 bi na 4 bi adi wachi is a twi ba ye nko mo twetwe na mo so mo twetwe wo o mo twa bia ma mi sister yes we give ben obehye betimi a chen wo de na say joy so koye loose wo ayi wo courtroom wo e na mbre wan ma mi nitimi ko twetwe wo e wo courtroom e ye wo ya a wo ye hu videos too court nso a show say man ni emoni din so what you say court say enwo man ni din no obegina wo ka say wo kunu ni say no court your translators wo ho ti man ni say peke video no wo sa de court wo no mo say review back ya be ka say your man na wan some na wo kan so which part of no Joy Chicho don't you understand which part of no don't you understand adwuma na nya di wawie mame man nso so na yira ko kan bom aye baako ana e de omu di wani say no wo as a girl na mo say odwum because this is not the first time you are becoming a baby mama adwuma no why di mu degree wo man yes wo man awo no me pa cho ono papa na wo until you are not the first time a single mother until the adwuma nso so asa na wo yo wo say na afena wa ba industry mu adwuma wa ukutamu a masters obo masters wo man yes enyo nti wenye gba ko pe we no abeka ho na wo ba be ma we eti abepae mo relax Joyce relax sasa na ya senya ya relax na eden e twaso
Okay.
wo be gina ho a wo kan se maame no ni kunu collect am for peers collect it for peers take come out say no we are within me pa give it to peers close the door
Okay.
the man uni out no so we ya den man e dru so oba no oba ufie so ne na yire na nam o oba ufie no ne na yire na na se nipa no e na adwen why na adwen ankasa na ma she not the only one suffering from depression me tell me depression me kasa me die guwa sister I am the most depressed woman. Me too. I have panic attacks. I have depression. I have anxiety. I have depression. I don't on my phone. And say everything. Because I say no I am an abro so Joy so to more damn say obi o Ghana. What way unya depressing say obi a abrocha say e man am abrocha am we yi so obi a body dey anto. We are all depressed though. Me na me catch you. Depression achi ankasa. Depression achi en. Ghana na uti a weekend. Tumi ko nemu a okopo ba bi watena. Wona mfo frefre anyway nhwe. Me dane ha say just no na ya ataka no. E fa na woko. Mole fu enso so ye bedwa wasum santi. Nya Joyce nkwa na to depression achi no abrochire ye nyina depression no ye kutamu masters. Endu tumi mbekasa wo odi ani de bia depression chi wa no afafun. Depression chiwa share adwuma na make trust adwuma na diwa na adiw ediwa wan fa ma abonten so obi ahu se adwuma eden adiw enti ba edrum na bi ye wo assemble ho like normal boyfriend girlfriend ni se bibia mpiemu na nipa no ye mi se no aba beka ye nyane asiri bi ni akabia ma ni atwam but not when na there is a baby involved won so aba kroma se ya wo twen krata wo tuwe wo ba ha ya bow 2 times or 3 times ya bow edu akọ Ghana wo fingerprint e wo krom ha sei ya bo wo pen e de wakọ Ghana sei amanfo a mo wo matre ni ade mimini nkrofo a o mo matre ahomache bi o makofie enti sa wo da so to na man no on sign ma na say still na da so to Joyce e betimi de wakọ se de esi de wo ne wo baba ko na wo kan de wo ko ye no we say so ye betimi de na kọ enti not by creating social media publicity and ebe magroni bia be fra ka cho say hey Mr. Hwanya yeah I shall the video from Joyce Gizin as so committed to standards and on mark ma the Photoshop 9 that's getness and ideas who be videos on social media am obi akwa free mind no say abroche ye de eyi na eye emra ne se den se man no so good lawyer ma so wo obetimi atwentwen so adi wani obedi wani obetwentwen so no ma ye de o adi wani a o mu bedi wani papa enti Joyce de no ye de adoso you talk too much na me catch them you talk too much abroso I was say ye de o relaxing nya bibia na de be social media me na me catch them abroche for ma hwe ya dwumbom ya boda mankasa de no doso ba no nche say me wo page enti bibia na ba be gina ho na maka bibia ma be gina na maka enye ne sa life doesn't work that way. There's a time for everything. A bedroom maybe a in your beer was story to tell. Will be a better at that time no relax so then the right people will be asking you the right questions now who answer. So what I said that time make us say be another Joyce. One movie on obey you okay why you secured. That's all baba. Aba can man that's a man will be any fan. So what I say give PS1. But say any the up and down. Say any nine.
Finish. They are the one disturbing. Come. Please come in. Yeah. You speak English?
Oh,
Hello.
Afina, you speak English? You speak English? You speak English? Afina Joyce, you speak English? Afina Joyce, you speak English because police na ba na say me bebusa man be kan say onu mi enu wo answer again wo court. Oh mu wie ya court a show say Uber expressions. You speak English, police train no ma be gina no mo ya from no ma be gina wo. So na see say they really care. Ya from no ma be jonti bebusa. My woman is so bad, no year in a buy. Two people no buy, even though say they can't come there. They can't come there. Even though they can't come there. So what you say? Grace Boots, are you still on? Grace, are you there? Please. Anyway. Close the door. Oh my baho, you speak English? Afina Joyce, you speak English?
I always have to hold the door tight. But today also was so intense because you can ask the neighbors. It was so loud. They want to break into the room.
They will break into your room
to do a DNA test, and it was possible.
They say who can say DNA test now? Are positive? Or must you mum penal? Are court? See who DNA test now, man, or no one here some. I hear from a woman DNA, and I call that positive. I hear from and I will call your money DNA quite positive because our court no say shaman no mu nipa and no mu beyi ama say quite you know na man also has to volunteer. No waba because father shot woman say US there say obi wo na okasa meni we na wo pe ni all of a sudden ye de what to na yi so na ye ma wucha sha support Germany anya sa ye wo father shot and ken no na che se papa no e be dia tum na wo ma me so adia tum say den me ba no it's finished please go no adia tum say den me ba no ansa na ye den ya dia tum enti ha de nya US na oni obi konye mo nyinse abaka cho bi se woni na enti se de me pa chen se eya abotire adwuma se me ka cho people who are saying who are talking who you are there ben no I don't know se munua no se munua ba bia the truth has to be told someone can no kra no anche munua ma na say ya please close the door men pants and phone biscuit and dia ma ho person obi ni enti no kra na wasa mo ka che munua ma no kra den ya ba akopɛ se mama ni kunu di omo ye na ye se anya se den e wo so hu se adon the day your safety first se baby a wona kwara kan ho ansa na de wa ba wo no to kan ho ti ja abroche ne wo no sister se wo kasa wo ba abroche na wo nsa wo do nsa be social media wo de bem eden ebedi fo social media na abroche an ye nyini social media wo betimi aye video bi ebedu on it can be used as evidence against you sister police ma ufie won investigators ma ufie won ada sister investigators for ba ufie paya anka jabrochi ha no ka be hu ni tutu sister ka be hu tutu wa wo foforo pa na brochi ayi fo abonra ufie ye twitwa pictures timi ka se bia mfa se enkwara ayi ti amaye ni ati me je na homache obi ama wo foforo ma ye na homache de asi wo me aye twa me ya me mi CS enti me ya se nkra na de be fa me ba ni ade ma ye ayi asi wo ama be ade ache so se me ma bre homache na me ma akra aduane na ba ko ka ho mama na yi a yesi se ntati akoto ye twa ne picture chitwa me wigs me wig nyina ye twa me wig picture that be I will come and say that story I know Martin on social media me ba mu chuo Martin asem on social media because asem that so ewo police for nsem ayen kan asem ni wie ye ebi anka betimi abeka asem ni pa bia tufuo but yen kan asem ni wie ye that time ni nyina na me ye honam sade yen kan asem ni wie ye enti me fa asem nya the emba social media Kametimi aba say the police for by me fear me say this happened my sister na munyina maka bi man and so I don't the day the party from me for interrogation na wo be di ma chi ma for interrogation no police for my fear that sister police for my fear that wo betimi de bem adifo e wa bochira say kana de say o kasa wo timi cheche mu twi kura ma officer no kura timi ti ase and so kura ma wona wasua bravo saden said them bro free betimi be too your words can even be used to turn against you now can better Dutch sister now we be to our translating English to Dutch but when him say Dutch me ti say yes one thing here nti we be nchire mu ma what you say asem awo kan yes na nipa na ka sister
Mommy, I no practical.
enkwala wo ho ye wie ye friend you child services
Sure.
your friend you uniform
Mom.
ade maame enti ngo be break as ye dije amanfo mani ade a abrocha yenje obi aba just like that o yenje obi aba just like that ansa ne beje oba no e wo system ye be fam na wa ba mi fie na maame ba no tin na ahomache ma wo foforo ama ye mi CS ama tin atati aba bedam no we twa ne picture me too I do wait the wig I'm wearing I did it myself but abrofo no omo nsha wig sa anti there's a number people who they see it as disguise but we do I have a lot of wigs ye try me wigs say it's a media disguise so some media then you ni nyina is evidence evidence na me show Netflix ahomache me show me Netflix ama me jaya kwa akoda ye hwe video na wo hwe no na wo hwe na akwala wo fie na ani akwa me pa atwo mu dodo sen na mu hwe TV a imu hefum kra mo ma me hwe bi onto se bia mbam se afum we di enwaman se mom na bia ma sister no na ne ma ada mo nkwa mo no aye obi ahie enso ada wo hu beba asem na be hu se shall be used against you in the court of law ya ka che me se me Netflix a me hwe no bu sam se empanifo program na wo be hwe me be hwe ayi Rambo ni ya fiti hwe Rambo ni ya di se Rambo kitikiti ni ya di se ni nyina ya hwe Rambo and so me Netflix I see movie ka cha me say me wo ba na me hwe sa film no wo ba ya me hwe me film ni pa dodo say no mo hwe Rambo a omo ni omo ma ya hwe and so yesi me ya frɛ child services why dey aba me fie omo ba ye they did thorough inspection ebusa oba no ma wokofa oba ebuku ba ye from the time awo no nti mo amoma na mo wo omo a mo mesi appointment no for untasu ke ni ade no ye hwe ni nyina mu ehu se ni nyina wakọ appointment ni nyina wakọ ehwe oba ni well being Africa kindergarten from say wakra no o te sen o kindergarten ne maame no relationship te sen e wo kindergarten Joyce ebi abroche na oba na akọ na abakọ na ebi a didn't integrate say wo se na wo camp ntino wan hye dan hu abroche na brabo nti ebi a yemmo okakra we to ba we na wa wo ne yemmo ehwe wo ni book mu hwe ne we frɛ kindergarten busa se one ne maame no mo ntem te sen maame ne be fa no te sen ni se na kindergarten fo busa so fra wa yi problem ben no me so me akasa me problem enye hwe so okay from meeting say obi bia okay so obi bia okay omo bia ya bia me fridge bia me deep freezer bia me fridge bia me kitchen like bia me ayu me kitchen mu ni sa nyoma ni nyina hu bibia ansa na ye de omo ko enti ni ekro ma yam ju ba just like that and some be ju ba no you do be follow a whole lot of stuff yes police aba kan say na so be ka che say enti ni aba be ju ba but nyoma na wo ye no make sure say wo ya dia in case say asem bia de to we na search na say ka say review abrabo mu a esa wo asem to me to a you don't know nothing about what na nyu say asem ye de ebeto na asem na ye de ato e ho no ne abekọ back akwa review abrabo enyoma wo ye pertaining to your case ebi wo kwa na wo no wa na wo ye wa de keke wasa no wasa ya wo so ya be jejina social media yo ba bia ye ye mpanifo enyoma wo abetimi akoye wai wo hu abeyi ye ni ade nya ho na ye kwakọ yi wu sa nyoma ni nyina ba abe use against you as evidence nya adwu hu akasa wo ma na wo ma wo nche all this one never say wo nkwara no kura mpo no o mo mu ankwara no nti ye je wo ma so ati ati ya bo chenya wo ne ni nyina na wo ti bed please give Pierre some okay give brother some enye ni nyina na de baba social media ya ka ebi mu ya de ntia se enye ni nyina hwe enye easy cry enye easy direct message every woman has a nti na ye tufu no nti na ye kire obi ayi no enye obi ayi no wa ye de ye nyina ye nimu nyansa nse obi some people don't know bibia wo wiase bia ye kire bibia wo wiase no ye kire you can't say wo say yi wo bu afuntu do nsa akọ hyejem untimi mfa nsa akọ hyejem wo untimi mfu to the sense do nsa akọ hyejem enti bibia ye kire bibia obu wo a na onim se no hom se asem to na no hom etia o feel say I have to on my camera eno na America fo bebere awu no America fo bebere omawu Joy Friday se wan e pa che nyina mu share ye ntuma wo koye na ye wie boy no e de na back and funny my back sometimes simple instruction you obey it simple tiawa na wo ko baby before na me ye chinchire try say me before obi ye made a che say abrofo bitimi ye made na chinchire twa me parliament asie enso na obi timi ye ade sa wo jimi wo broni wo jimi na me jana me show sa because me ntimi mbo Ghana dia metimi no dia bom bipe ni enya kwa baby but say na wo say ade a me ntimi mbo na wo say me twa so e ma odu hu muso ko at that time so we do obey wie na me sim e mo me ho enti bibi o wiase bia de ye kire apu agria Mercedes apu Luvi apu o we di apu mu kese pa apu agria Mercedes wa unti bibi o wiase bia ye kire sometimes I say bia ye wo platform unti bibia e be pa ye mu bia ni aba be gina say sister ansem me and sending will be papa. By the end of the day, me, my best Madame Fubaku, one of the biggest pastors in Ghana. People know him. He go to a time and also pay divorce. Only a man for kasa bloggers for kasaye, kase o mbe interview no mbe ni say. Obeka kire me so me wo page ni bi. Na me busa ni say oba. At the end of the day, so wo kan wasem ni nyina wie fine wodi bem wo kireche wo nsem ni nyina mu wie a Ghana for yem bie go fan me emma wo ne wo ma no wo ma so doso me do better page you say hey mommy and I hear then you come and do that whereby ya wo say mommy I have everything I am a man my secure my brabo the way I'm sitting no I don't need anything from the man me okay enti no me no aha me the be man keke na pese me be kan de why me ne ade no be ka fine ne nya so am wo wi anu akono aye de wakɔhwe wo ma eni aboni nim nya oba but me busa ni so oba wo ni shop wini way who na show wo diet mu ho na twaka wo se be ma no so as you say you have kids and me ka just oni ayi no cry den oni a blogger no omo conclude wi data nwumre na wo ko blogger ni show so or ko blogger ni show so dey akọ kan sem ni kunu me say one of the biggest pastors in Ghana na me ka kire wo one of the biggest pastors that time so the pastor was making noise no kasapa no kasa na way cool but that time he was talking na asem go be break na asem atie so yeah na me ka kire so ba me wo page ni me metimi interview ama wa asem kro na wo kan wo ba be kan but me say mbusa wo say at the end of the day no so wo kan asem ni wie na me say followers so say likes so say wan say me 100k no say wan 1k no me de nya wie na bloggers nso be fa free me page so ne ekoka awie a maame wo mana aka no na wo rent no me create go fund me and answer me create e bi abroche for be hu mobo asha wo mani nyina ama wo mana wie university ana asema me kacha madam fo no up till now asema ntimi ama abontin asem entimi ama bontin sometimes no you need just one person one sensible eto da wodi bi mu ele se wodi bi mu wodi bi man kasa wodi bim but say wo bim na wodi no kasa na wo kan say your court na wo koka wan asem nyina dey fine say your lawyer na wo koka asem nyina fine but when you say social media na ye wo so no ye betie wasem so when I also why depressed two person na ye kasa ye betie wasem me I have people who call me about their relationship. I don't come and say it here. Make us a me mo. Obi me asem ti me ba no obi amma me ayi audio aka chem say sister me pa cho audio we. So wo bo audio na nipa ni be hu ba bi audio ni fit me pese wo ti audio ne keke. So that bia you know where asem ne ko. Just listen to it keke. Me nya some mistake ni embe yi me trofu adi. Embe bo audio no just for views, just for like just for one. I don't need it. Me mbon fa nya hwe me so okay me mate na matie sa audio no na me hu ha wa asem ne me kan de mesi aka no afa and sometimes I was a woman unyansa esu pass everything and sometimes you need wise people who make me there too for you are not perfect o ya Jimmy papa na mka kire ya Jimmy but because of nkofon ketua bi ebi omso omuni nyansa ketua bi nya bebre ketua bi sin ye ntino edru ye Jimmy mu anu omayede omasa atuefo ne asare draw omutuefo na ede asare draw because ni nyina na abeka say you have people following you have ntini nyina baba be kan asema na be tena ha na mo problem ma suan maka fine maka wi ntimi wi a sister me mpa mo ne na be kwakwada so mi wi a me mpa no mo ne na be kwakwada so dabi fairly workers please nobody is fighting here. Nobody is fighting here. So until we ask no I was say when to stop. I also know when to stop. Would dip bim you be the amount would dip bim. But you have to know when to stop. Because at the end we yan wow would the bad social media na nke bia we free oh any man no me na kasa oh me na ye no kra kasa nti say ya fine but asem no so awoka no enya to be frank with you enya sensible a obi abeka say bia man no kra ti asem no kra na ebeka na koma say bia say die ne mpo na o se me ye man because a man no or take responsibility mpo ne ma passport no so hwe no kra e bia nka ban betimi e de abo amo ahwe wo ba no but dia wo ya no na bia e se man na bufuo wudi bi mo e betimi am say akwa ne ye ne dia wudi bi but abrocha na ye mra Ghana ne adoba kokota ka so se wonti wudi e hwe man wo ana se wontiti be se ya hye wo se betwi moja be se but amra na wudi so say nkakra all this your talk near their din na wo wie na se wo to na ahomachi bi watia ne kokoko we wo plan like before no mo tam wo ne wo baba ko na so wo de ne buy no plus we no so sa de o mo ko Ghana Joyce no what akwa enkon mbesi ebie na bio dada na no wasa ye ni biom enti we obejan woman asiri wunti wo be kan doggy ukunu pe doggy kai so say woman she was once like you mama no she was once like you so what you say she was once like you mama no first so ye young girl to say wo onu so si so pen doggy no so man kunu bi onu so bie na hem that time na Facebook wo ha onu so bie na hem e de man kunu pen said ya won so na wo ye na echina bi no won so be den won so be bo abrewa na so be yin ti say maame no sa na tie e cycle ene na won ware ya kan hu say echina bi won so be ware won so be den wo be ware ama bia wo kunu so akwa girl bi wo bu say won say that time no the man dey here me na me som dey bia wo kra dey ye time e be chen because they say enkwala na omo ba omo chen ye dey na ye squad mo and also who say na won worry ya bompaye say echina bi no be worry Cecilia Zion her son is taken. Where did they take the son? Cecilia, the police are say how are you scared? So what you say? Also who say nenu na maame no why maame e ye say wo hu abrewa so wo ndi wi akwate pe no wo hu na abrewa no osiwa wo timi hwe no say wo se no am hwe maame we de ba wa mobra nkasa styles na wo check na why wo say wo so no that time wo na abrewa no osiboba no so no wa check sa style ni nyina bi pensa de ne ya so ya check ya adwume ya say ya wi ya say ya de hu say ya ndu ba bia na bedrum na bi no na ya so ya dan ube hunam sadin pa ewo mde me de so agene beba mu die ene me nse da ene na se ya na me de ba so hwe won hunam sadin pa na hunam sadin de me sure se ne time obo bra na no na e papa me bu obi ankasa enti sa na tie wi ase no wo wi ofo nsa na eden wa hwe wo die wo wi ofo nsa na eden wa hwe wo die Yankopon say out of ignorance God overlook. But law, ignorance of the law is not an excuse. And out of ignorance, that time Nana wouldn't name some man or fine. Be anyhow, I so quite. But say I will be who say what you don't swear. It be a man, Mr. Uba social media, now swing. Ebia wusu ebia man you wan kan cheme so wayire man ya da me baby ebia man kwa baby otekura ye different from wo one ma wo ye ni adade wo ba wusu ni adade de man ya ye me aseni say beginning nan kampanimfo bi mpo adi wani ma command was we dey get na mistake so de ba social media de me srew panacho so de wa so be pa acho but afina na yire na behu enti cheche de obetwe because me say ya sister Mimi say ana wale ho e de mimi say ya ana me maba be hu ama me metwetwo papa umi enka no kre let enka no kra nkasa ne yenye free no kre won imi enka no kre nche ye ho e kwan no amfa wo kwan no awusi etene but e fa wo di ans e kwan we di asa ya che ye nyina ye be ware bi obia yi no aware obia be so aware bi joy so to so because of ware se e woni beje wo be pen obia be ware bi enti ade a we so say wutu wukunu a yemfa mba ye onukunu no aye ni mistake no aye ne bone fine but oba ni ka so be twetwe we dis o twetwe wo mana twetwe wo na aye den ni kunu na akwafa wa ba ni kunu akwafa anko be nwa twetwe wo te se ni kunu susu ni yakoye wan enti den je na abeye mana twetwe wo bi se se oba ye ono na ayi emra no one side mana twetwe wo bi mana twetwe wo twetwe na aye den and one is say area o ko hu sama me ha no wa no afa ho ye fra wo kota wa fa ho so ati ase na we ya wa kota usu nyina mami so nya abere wa kra na wo twetwe usu ama usu watimi asiri wa ama watimi aka che judge say mami na esire me de say Joyce unya akoma ye timi di ye adu ade na wo ye no you are not strong enough you have to stop it. Me kasa ma asem ba obi anka bi na ma asem ba so kra me ma obi anka bi mia wa man commando mia kasa metimi afesi ma de enti the way a wutimi de kasa no na wo bi maame panimu timi kwatweche wo court ama wutimi pagya wonsa ka kire judge say maame ne esre media no say you are not made for this. You are not made for this. You need to get a thick skin. Adwuma na wo je no baby e kwan na wafa no. You need to get a thick skin. So also your mama ne ebeba internet so abeka na sem dia, you need what? A thick skin. You need a thick skin so that be ya mama because oni nuanom omumpu na nka osom do ba social media. Omunhu wo say wo na wo ne ayi papa na wo no omo na nka osom do ba social media beka say ai mo ayi mo ex ambassador no Joyce no te Ghana ya ma talk no ori mi kunu aba bewo so ati ase na nke nyina ya boam aba beka bia mo anasa wo kura wa ba se enuanom ya adofo man wa nka se eni ese ne ba eni ne nyina ba se wo timi ba ebeka se man no wo kunu no opedogi no no na yire ma mehwe o me ba be hwe ono na yire o me ba aba hwe because enyo nko na wo mo obi kunu dogi enyo nko na wo ba wa ha mu adwuma na mafo bebre ne wom static adwuma na nya na ebeba you see Solomon had 700 wives and 1,000 concubines. So some concubines no eye na side chick and na Bible no Bible bi e besi bi Nyankopon tro asem na Bible ni mu enti concubine na side chick semu amunim no concubines na Bible e side chick na mrim side chick sele queen nyina Bible mu bibia e besi na bia ni nyina ya tro to dada so ati ase enti ya wo na wo ha wo besi manage wo nioma ba social media na de bia wo ba amanfo page ya amanfo afifa na o ma hihye na 100k 1k anya etire mu ma na etire mu ma say man yi say ya say media meti ya ne say ya say wo frɛ say ya say man ne say ne picture dan gege page enti ko yifo na wo say anya wo na wo de kɔto wo say anya wo na akɔfa man na asɛm ba ya sengege mpo de ato ni page a anya wo na akɔfa asɛm ne ba nkengege anya picture ne fa nkɔto ni page enti what do you do? And one is so one get your friend, my men get my men get them strong. I say media avenue, Miss Strong. They say at the Marco Court. Man, this is any say, the any internet, they are internet and so. But to be away, I didn't so better Joe, Nipa Bonnie for and I didn't so how. No so friend, my men get any friend saying, hello, my men get Miss Strong. I saw media avenue to Miss Strong, Papa no. Say, what did name was so in the unit who picture be? Ever way you want to Miss So delete picture and mammy way, that Marco Court. Near then, yeah, bomb me can't see Miss Strong gege. Would you Miss you free her mammy? I don't know, dear Ben a bell. And no, dear Ben a bell. Dear Ben Panade, a bell. Tizina, mammy, if I go many so, I'll grow a woman is so more monkey cats answer. I'll grow a more cats more money so. More, I'll grow money so. Or bit easy one I day. Me tese me kunu ene wo ba be wo so o ka che so wan kan che ni ma wo so de me kunu ti social media me ma twetwe wo na me ka kire wo e wo so me be twa squad me twa squad a me ya ba be twetwe wo enti obi twetwe ana ya den de yan wo bi danie so what say agro mo mani so adwuma wontimi nwie no enhase adwuma wontimi nwie no me enhase because wo hase no you knew said the man was married. Ube who said the man was married, you should have considered the wife because man can't trust what you you should have considered the say once a time you so also be worry. Ube consider a man no e so ma. You didn't consider the woman, you didn't consider the man's children. Man no na born 100% ya pay shombo man no pay we no betimi trouble but the end of the day no e kwara bem. Enti maame no kwan ni kru no mo ko na e mo e bia no mo mesusa me papa e na me maame e wo Joyce wo ni papa be wo ye me maame atase me na me ba wo fie o abaye wo shege enti asem no you are thinking side chick me so side chick for boss na me enti answer na you think and I have thought answer na mo ba dwen me ma dwen dada side chick adwuma na mo ma adwene wo so ntia ho no na mo dwene fa but you have to be open minded o se mo bie mo adwene senka ya wo maame ana wo papa ni obi akwanyem ana wo ge ani na wo papa be si social media menya sure senka mo no betra sa ba ya keka se wo papa e ma ni bie ni twam e no atwa picture na papa pedogi wo papa pese ya anka menya sure se mo no kan betra se me ko ge ko nu fie kwakwa yo kafia me o shege ana ye chanso na kan wa kire o kafia enti munya dia mo keka no e na tizi obi tizi wa na ye den obi tizi wa nana mante obi tizi wa na ye den nipa ni se wanya ni nukura be wo dia 100% wo kura no na wo kura so who expecting something better from okra who expecting say nka woman no emfa wo mani fie na wo fiti fufuo emfa katofi mele mfrem na won ka fufuo no oyi wo onfa ya adwene won fa adwene ba ko enya nkwan emfa ko obi nwom emfa ma wuni won ka no kra wate no kra ne ka ya won ka no kra woman ni hu sa no wo maame anka be yesa kamunya sa no credit there ba ko the woman wasn't the first person to bring the thing on social media asem we say nka manfo na de nenam e na nka mete say me say e na me mete say Joyce ni obe mo bia kwa wo say ni say na me be breaking news na me na nka me be breaking news na can normal because as a Joyce na de buy but this is the case that Joyce was the first person to bring the thing on social media. Now who be ko obi wansem who be down na afo no wasu tan who be ka obi wansem na wasu atwetwe anya possible some me young girl me gina we mani abre mako obi kunu se ni se some na wo se asem se ni se na yire timi kwatwetwe me mo court ma mitimi fra epeda me sakata my lord ma me we twetwe menya possible because me my wedding so na me ba me kuta me squad because me wo se de adu ne mo ayede papa na yi mi ama wo yi mi ama ene na yira kwa ya one nti o se me hu nyansa fa me ho adwene se ma me da se me accept defeat ma me pa cho say ni say na ba me sro minim. Sometimes you have to be a fool, sometimes you have to be a fool to fool the fool who thinks he's fooling you. Ma me sro ma ti se wukunu ni but me sro ma ni shia mo anka nje me say den o wo yire se se akwara abam e bi kwada ta we minim say ni say nti ma me pa wo cho enye say bia me pe wukuna na say ni say but the adru ni me pa wo cho nipa ye nipa una so ye say nipa nipa because woman won ti me fa akwala no enko hye wo yam back asimo be kan ni say ene yungin san so ne emira de e ko ne de say na nka wo kra Joyce we twa squad wo anka so hye da ki tete ho akye bloggers fo na nka bloggers fo na ye adwuma no na nka ma frɛ wo Joyce mum aye wo interview say so e bia o say na tie ba say ye solve na nka waka but wo de wo de hwe na ba be si social media wo te hwe na ba be social wo te hwe na ba be gina na wo kan nyaman sem na wo kan nyoma sem abra nkwala wo fi a na ba se me meja na me ka bi ma me nka bi ma because me worry ya but me nya ya because obi worry me worry bi nkwase se ma me so mpa bi etie wo me ma worry mu no me no so me nya ni sese mrem a me worry me nya bi wo be nya obi kuna ne ba twempro ne ba worry o se wonim so worry do ne ni ye bi but I say wo ko se worry ho a nyoma bu o wa anya ntiti wo mpe so be hu bi fine no kra no ye ba ko pe na me ka no ntiti mo amo mani abre na mo wo nkwala ni bia wan stranded obi an small say you stranded ye nyina won nkwala ni bi we are not married ye nyina we are in this together some of you are with the children's father some of you are not with the children's father fine we can feel frustrated to dani abre e to no say but this is the time you cannot change what is already done untimi sisa the I and I'm coming untimi you can't change it so what do? You can't change it. You just have to accept it and move on with your life. The price is coming. And move on with your life. Now the bia obeso camera dia emwa. And one make enti mu amuso mu na nkwan so a mu beye sa no mu nkoso. Em no na mu beye na be ma mu nkrata wo krom ha dia mu nkoso. Because omo nkrata ye no na be ba be hwem. Wo a woni nkrata na wani abiri video no omo nkrata na be tena se abe jage wo matawo ono no wani nkrata awie o wani nkrata eti ni apartment ni bedroom kama bi mu ono no opeto otu kan ko ga no betimi akwane ni to ono ana ebe ka kire wo say you are right obi ono wa nkrata no obi ono te Ghana na wote ni flat mu a ya ha ande ama no na wotetagu mu no ono na ebe comment wo post wa ka kire say my sister you are right continue do what you are doing. Meanwhile, so na winning baby, I want to na winning what is going on in your life. Na winning the will face wa approach ha na wo no. And quite me the da na wa dwini bom, Una wunim so Ghana or no ni papa no catch us sister you are right continue no on wonim say every year bia ya send no letter wonim say letter say ba every year bia ya from go to this office go here go to here go here you come here on no what Ghana will be from several office wo pa na ko bi office ko bu say abrochire ha yet me from come here bring this ni nyina na so ba wo akwala akwara ntimi na fie 1 month ni ye twena me wo me nyina winter me wo me nyina November me di embassy from obi na wa wona so na so wunti from wa wo abrochira se wunti from wo hye dem ya maria 3 months wa bodam wo ya na wo do ba na officer wo di na ha wo register no ha wo fa ha ya de ne ko doctor we ye ni so ye ni say abrochira babo no enti tena ho no mo Ghana no nipa no no te Ghana na wa wo na ase wa ba fie abetere wo fufuo mani tintintimu di no nwanya ne credit no enka nche o say continue my sister you are right. Ono na wati Ghana ono no so obi krumpo no one no awumpo a nipa na ehwe no ono ya hand ya ma no I am first or dia kan ho apie ne so no ono ne maame wa friend mo aka ne maame ma chama ne maame beta ne nchen wo wufo ma ne tu edi no wa abrochi ase no ono no enkoto bando mesho no kan just say my sister you are right continue owi atene so ano what you say oni nkrata you can't work you can't do anything sikanya de ma we say yes ke so bia but we hope say anya bia be yi ama watimi dia bia hwe no ma na still na you are still bro ayi ensem gu so still na bro ensem gu so wan ko ka papa yi ni dog ni asema kan yi ne papa no meba ufie ko mama ufie wan ko ka se ne me ba mi twemi ajade a anka ne no omo hwe ama ufie ama police fo yede ama ho ye wi asem na ye ko review evidence no betimi atwini nyina apel lawyer papa edi amama omo so omo review asem no omo translating word by word maame unko court da e wa brochira say police for na catch say detectives ama ufie so omo baba ye ufie eyi sister na me catch am say debi na me catch asem wi enso maka me nkan police for ni free me fie ko detective for ni free me fie ko ya na nka ma fa phone ma fa yi my look police came to my house and they did this and they did that no because I have brains meaning answer say anything I say or do shall be used against me in the court of law. Yes see me nyoma imagine that time iPhone SS was iPhone yaba my laptop me things running to over 2,000 euros ma ba chama kan me nkan because me can't be na be yama me but me can't bet me ako police for no akwa jail kwa ndi mama you can't say police for ne e twa me too more child service for no mobile no e no me fa me man anka me janka social media anka met me akwa je mama can you can't in the social media ne on your man people you say people feel sorry for you and after you've been through it now you've been strong no then you sit down and you say your story that time no obi wo wa okosa nyoma it will be an inspiration to that person that time you will become a stronger person because you've lived through it not when you are you are down. That is when you come and share your story. You are down, you don't know where you are going. That is not when you come and share your story to depress another people. No. After you've been through it, you've lived through it, no. That is when you can be an inspiration to people. You can talk and say, I said way I told me, no, this is what I did. This is what happened. And here then, once you say, Bibi say to her, I want a man for a best frocas, sister. I say, ni say, be up to me pain. And Timina and Samina say, now we won't about the inspiration. Now the only fita na the tuntuma chato, only fita na the tuntuma chato, only and was I said. I say, me now with him. After the ben ukunu to me catch and say, me mammy trim, na me chat, na me dia say ukun. Where I am come on? Where I am come on? Where I am come on? I am come on because you be a busy then. Ade ne ubo internet so abo papa ube hu bebre we internet so wo di nkwa de wan wa be ne wu. Ade we ne ubo internet so a ewo ba bia. Actually, the man's wife did not have any rights. I say there's no rights in your back because I'm not born from a boy. You try your book a cramana because he has no right about China. Nobody has a right to go to anybody's house. That time on no nanti call by any fees or cobana maniano. Did she have a right? I say no court that nobody has a right, nobody. Now make sure say a right and I say they will that right no, they will say it in court. Court one on said they know all right and I said the only right. But I say need the common sense that may catch say don't make the same mistake. If you are on, so when I'm quite sure yes a mistake, Nibia don't make it. Until me na me begina. I bet said the one right and I said the one right. What I say. And now, and I will be decided, said, why are right and I saw on your right. I am caught in the bed decided, the way right is also could be fee. Caught in the bed decided, so I say, right, so call Joyce if you are not one Joyce if you are caught. But one out to answer, oh, baby, the same mistake here. And I make sure say, don't do it. Don't do it because if I so be no baby, so the amount. I send more caught that or mocha. To answer what can be on Saturday. Or a man with me. Ah! No crying na ebi mu ya no kra no ya mo bese mo beka no kra no doesn't mean say so so we bia wo oba na se anware wu nti wo ti se obi nso so o ebia wo ya show nti wo ti se obi nso so ya show ni pana dramika no wo nso so ko ka bia ma na wo se wo nso nya nyansa say what happened ebi kwa na wo case ni papa ni dem enye the same so ati ase enye the same but obi wo ha there are some people they are just bitter. They are just bitten to on na man for pay who say oh boy maybe a show baby pay no to dramika na office also koka na ibon but sen kenye tutu ye ho fo ye tutu ye ho fo anke nyina anke nyoma bu anke be free mu so ati ase en just oni be ma wo ore want na e bi o show nti no e wo say bibia de bia de bia de me be de bia mu chirensem de bia mu chirensem de be mpa na ensema mu chireba Sandra, okay, hello. Muche mpa de ben, I don't de ben abenya. Social media de ben no meeting ya bo. Muti obi ntimi nya hwe mfa mbo. Uwi a wono mpa na ekwa akoda. Wo man so wono man na ekwa akoda. So what ya so obi ani wa wo social media uwi obe force some patch wa henfa. Me ba betena wo nchen. Abrocho obi anya adaje. Obi anya adaje o ba betena wo nchen. So what ya say? Uwi a wonkwa na akwa akoda. And I'm not here to judge her. Says and I said, dear may catch out says if you are able to say you are trying to maybe our case be you want to do the same thing and I'm saying Jane. And fashion ma be man on natina or book and so I remember I blog about UK yeah. Bearman did just an answer ya. Bearman a file I said or be any king now Bearman or Bearman call Ghana. A wedding. Abrani ki nyina wani ho nipa da se ni wickedness e fa ye nyina ye kan so bi ma ni se ye wi me pa cho busa ho se be ma no oba na busuafo ni hu video no busa ho se omoma oba ni jai be ma no they are still happily married and so na wo se ono na da wo fie ni ade o free wo fie na ko Ghana ko wari you but wo be odi news ni ba abontin na en kiki wo mo se be ma we otimi yese do wicked nti awaye ne agu no because awaye we nya easy to ene obi epebi to mo nya bia se be ma no pe wanko no onu ti na UK wanko amaga na meware nti ana no do obi aya no ya calculation dia be boa no no afa enti ge ibe su ye wo social media kika ansem ye wi ache no be ma no ne oban bia still happily married so ati ase enti asem do wo ya but dia also mu ne se adwuma ya hyehyɛ na ediwa edu ya won some ebeka no social media but adwuma bitimi diwa edu because na mema bebre o ma bomani atu free e ma bebre so bomani atu free nti se wo ba na abeka ene yese ade be na nipa na be social media nya beka yo ka wie betwam but if there are children involved na be jan and then yese na I don't the day dey be yam ye ni hwe be yam ye ni hwe ye be yam nti mu amokoso an ye huru nti onye se mo continue mo pa mo join no na mo nte baby mama association na mo fighting baby mama baby papa for ire no mo fight ba side chick hima menka ho say in some way this year me jai mi ndibi oba na aka say o person oni mi di nkomo fa papa no kwan ya befa so obebo amade ya fine but say me waye say ni this year sa nkomo no me mo bi anfa bi mra mi bi Timo pa mo call for me baby mama association. Me side chick for na me pesa I be over them. Side chick so you different from baby mama. obi a side chick onye baby mama obi a baby mama side chick entini nyina adwuma ni guma wodo ti according to their open no na wo benya but some am adwin say mu be de na de bia wo de baba internet so dia se maame fo no nya se mu ye ya na wo jani kuna ma wo mu nya ready so mejo mu kuna ma mo o mu nya ready so mu be ja wale no mu te ho dia ma mo ni social media am dem baba but maame fo no mu shu so de o metwetwe mu atwetwe de o metwetwe mu nya mu shu lelele o metwetwe mu papa Sistema ready some over social media, we are young girls, more already, more skin, more nice dear. And you're not a mirror for us also, or much your mamma musu. Because young fan is a monanka more skin. Monanka to Mushu, dear, I be resident church to Mushu man yamoya. Hey, fellas of for you may, chiakai for the way. It's impossible now, me can't amount for soon. It's impossible, Joyce, unti me cry, unti me bam. Chiakai. Aya possible kra na me dia be no betim ya kire me we dia we die ni nyina anofo ndi dia be do so ntimi nkira me hwe ntime ha why number 1 incumbent side check me dey go in 2024 dey me first lady by that time there sami dem fi ama me dey opon kroma e di be di president ntima mo am why Sunday na ye ma bre mo fa bi ntum ho for why it's not about a question of who did right who did wrong. But no kwere ne yebeka so wo to na wo ye bidia asachira enfa hwe mmiro na meka cho wa asemi na person discuss oro ahu person usu afre me ni ensu mbom mini nko fe bebre asu abom ti mi tina fon so wana meso ti mi nji obi aka pre because obi o wa na person ni obi di nkom obi a onye ne family member obi onye na danfo no na ko si baabi wo betimi afre me wo hwe me page wo betimi afre me wana wa metimi wa gina so akasa wo betimi afiri ka de obeka bia me mfa wo mi wi a eno ano no wo pa susu nyina kire me okay me mfa wasem ma mesia embeka enye hwe me mfa wasem mesia embeka enko yi enje hwe emfa hwe mo me is your where you first say asem o se de ba na edi ya kan obi adi tu mu fu dia fine but me nko fa wasem mesia embeka enye hwe mfrim why ti happy new year asem ya de ba ya no Mabre. This year you could be and friend Mr. Honam. Yeah, you could have a you. What can Craman to be a Mr. Menfambro? I'm a member wounded. And the bye. And your man, I remember and Sanyako. Memorial, when birthday. Happy birthday, sir, and your birthday, happy birthday. Why? Nana Abna shoe Santiago, where you there? We have a court for. Nana Abna, we have phone power. The Santiago shoe, where you there? Has he right? You can call me for the crime. Me and you, we will cry together. Me, you can call me. You can call me for the crime anytime, any day. I have time for you. You can call me and both of us, we can cry together. Fine. Me who from like us will be sure, but I can listen to you. If it's 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour, you need answer, but if be an answer to be now, me won't make me that so the other so. Every so quite a boy, how so bet me do the other, amami. And the man, dear, feel free to call me. Why? Only problem. You person who soon. I don't know, girl, be friend. We discuss it. Just say you discuss it. Sometimes people want to do the right thing, but I am not saying you man think to be there. The way. But what I know, person will be kasakeke. I dear bet you no one said no cry refuse and I may cry and I didn't know me normal. Because who can catch you down for no do quanante. So what I say, who can catch you which you need to do quanante. But me old friend me, you never me a cassa. I don't cry baby, you didn't come over me who say what. Now I day, what feel if where we lose stress and one no. Why? I'm welcome, Joyce. Greetings from Berlin. Hey, Berlin for what is saying? Why the party there today? Hey, no darling. Boy, and you swallow poor life. I come you didn't know. I have 20 days. I need I what a party day today, Tanya friend. Huh? Someone would did my time also. This year, men block him, Martin. Men block him this year. I went a party day today, Zana, your friends. Nyako Sophie. Why the party day today? Call me Eugene, you never say. Diana, you can call me. Diana, you can call me. Why? Feel free. Diana, you can call me anytime. Why? I'm in that Jaco. I reply will be at the university. Why? This year, idiot. Who person me beef? I just a uchia. I just a uchia. Why? I can't say we. We are requesting.
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire, messages that forge.
Brian, catch it. Oh, okay. Happy weekend and a weekday. Oh, new week.
Where the party day today? No starting. Hey mama, take your body, man, you're gonna. Hey mama, so where the party day today?
Me asana yo almost
Take your body, man, you're gonna.
asana almost
Hey mama, you messed up for no reason. Don't you know say this be our season? Did the brain make a pop, right? You dreaming. Yeah, you messed up for no reason. Don't you know say this be our season? Did the brain make a pop, right? You dreaming.
This year, who's tsunami?
Yeah, who's tsunami?
Me kasana anyoda.
Don't you know say in control?
Hey, go be your page.
Where the party day today?
No darling, hey mama, hey, I hear the same. 2021.
Take your body.
Best year answer by force. You don't want to.
Hey mama, hey, so where the party day today? Hey mama, hey, I hear the same. Take your body, man, you're gonna. Hey mama, hey, I hear the same. I'm going in. What time of brave? Into what da.
Wodo.
Social media pressure, diamond and yampa.
Social media pressure.
Yes, who have to pay me upon a year, so be a shawasa. From my pocket, Mr. Kokwasa, Obi and Nimka, Toma, Boye, Papa, Obi Pondasi. Ayo, Abrabo, and thanks you, Bema Dano Compo. What package ya and fa? Is it by force to speak some brofo? Yeah, from the same Moisha a virgin. What's what ya your bedding? Okro, we're watching the landing, and you see my brethren. It's forgetting me in the Asa, forgetting me in the Asa, no, forgetting me in the Asa. Hey mama, I hear the same. So take your body and you're gonna. Hey mama, I hear the same. So where the party day today? Hey mama, I hear the same. Take your body and you're gonna.
Elizabeth, when I can't answer me, chairman. Saba, I couldn't know me say no, I don't mean so. Elizabeth, but I couldn't know me any baby say no. So I know me any say no. I feel I'm you go see. And you go see away in the bar. Now, my year don't quite video at your way. I'm more yet, so I know me baby say no. The one is your way. Aha, Akosia, Obi Akofa issue be aba say I should also advise the wife. There's no advice of the wife. When Kobana, what's the advice now? There's no advice of the wife. Because wife not to unkutaba, I any problem. What in fear? Say, dear, or no, only him one, ni mwakodim ni yakabiaman ye tunufu. Wife no what in fear. I no new kunun cancha ni se one in a jaw tunu. So no young Timinko tunufu. Yen Timinko cancha be my messe, as a man is a man in Quasre. Yen Tim cancha because what in a baby. She was forcibly thrown into this social media. Once more, be so being often kunu to social media. But ni kunu beda hono, she was forced to join because what in the baby ni kunu beda ho the amount for best friend say one who dear say who kunu akoye so kunu akoye say ye enaye ntu maame ne fo efu bia ni wa ye betu maame no maame ni oni problem so won hu ade na ese no so be so osre e up to the court to decide say wo so san so onsre ye ntimi nko ka ne se dia nse ne ayi ne yam ye ni fu bia ye tu maame no ndi ohia futuo no ne ye tu no no di ohia futuo ndi ode asem ba social media no ene ye tu no enti na yire di otene ba bi mi kunu na akwafa aba won soma ni kunu ana won soma won soso senka yo beti ma pese otena se anka otena ase ekofie ko hu se bi o ya na so ni yire enti oba ndi otene ba bi ti wo na ado ho aba ana wona na pese o che se wona ye wo magaji ana no so kire so ya brewa ma afia enti ma me ne ye ntu nefo ye ni fu bia ye ntu ma me nefo ye oni fu bia ye ntumi ntu ma me obi ma me otena wale ye sefo se wanya den sa asam ya ne sra ma hu shu na sa ya ne sra ma ne sra na o right so osre anytime ti wo na wo kwa wo ko obi kru wan obi kwa wo na wasa wo show hu ye wo ko na adwuma di wa hu ni se adwuma di umia wa no simple na akotena ba bi na wa bo bra simple na obo mpaye na onya ba ma fo na obeso mu a fine enya bi onu na nya ne de dada na ye ba betu ne fo so wo hu obi a mama na ntwetwe ye ni fu bia ntimi ntu no kecha let's go continue aluta continue continue shake your body and your corner. You mess up for no reason. Don't you know say this be our season? If you pray make a fall, you dreaming. I'm better now, yeah. Yeah, you mess up for no reason. Don't you know say this be our season? If you pray make a fall, you dreaming. I'm better now, yeah. Yeah, who's soon I'm here? Shout through me. I say no side chick for baby or munya kuma yetimi side chick you. And I say omo baby papa no mo yini du o manu o na pese me kama me na asem me nka. Kopo okunu. Onsoma. Ko na nso tena se nyan wale ubi. Tiawa. Wonso ba ye oyire you can choose to laugh or not to laugh. Obi amfa ho. Bye bye. Aka say we my class is adjourned. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Ciao. Bye bye. Wa me kasa ya nya ode no. Ne de bia na meka wa adwene. Ama ya ode. Why? De bu ho e bia meka. Nyansa ni ye nyina ba akufo tim tupa. Ubetimi so akọ page na wa ye video. Me share ama. Ubetimi kan se ho na me so mbeche madwen. Me share ama. Why? Na so aka. Wo so di apese wo ka. De wo mi mitimu ne no na maka. Ubetimi afa. Untimi amemfa. Mintimi mfa ntua. Why? And it's a bye for now. Thank you everybody for joining. Go like here, bet me like if YouTube, not subscribe. Honam Sardine. Why? Happy 2021. This year DMSA year of nyoma bebre baba fine. Honam Sardine daily so me patch honam Sardine daily. Koshe me imune like e hon so makeup. When say this year the makeup corset body like training this annual honam dey no beto. All my personal life. Honam Sardine daily. Honam de kwakoto. Ne mano. You be discussing about makeup, beauty trends. This anyoma no. Like bibia pese unhu bia. You be discussing Honam Sardine daily. When you be di enkon concern why? Mavis nimo. I love you more. Obi a we ya me hu udin no nse anyoma ni doso. I love everybody who joined my show. Everybody I will share my top fans and so I love you all. take care amoda su guso say dey na mo twe mo free swear eh obi Sunday makasa be the audio o da su jina so me nka de be bi okay so bye